So in this video, I don't know if you know guys, but you see that lens cover, you don't have to take it off. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Apparently you can fly this with a lens cover on. So this is what this video is about. Can you fly this Neo with its lens cover on? I've already put on the, I don't know if you can see the light, you might be able to see the light. So the light's on, but you will see it on my RC2 because I'm using the RC2. And to be quite honest, I don't think we even need an ND filter. I mean, it's come in sort of late evening now, so the sun is going down. And I've got my little dog here, who I know is just going to make a noise. Yeah, keep quiet. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do auto takeoff. And then we'll do a couple of things just to see if it affects it. I don't think it will. You know, I think it'd be fine. But anyway, off we go.
Approach ditch altitude.
Yep, so we're off in the air. So anyway, what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to do a track first. So we're going to go into quick shots. Okay. So what it's saying, it's flying with caution. So I think what it is, it may be no satellite position, but I got 9 or 10. What we're going to do anyway, we're going to do the Dronie. Okay. So just send that drone back a little bit. Okay. There's a look. You can see at the bottom of the screen. There's a bit of it does look a bit blurry, I must say. So
3, 2, 1.
what's going to happen, eh? That's the thing. I can see it's sort of okay, it's returning. It's not returning very well. Okay, oh, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go back into that and we'll do it again. Right, I think what it is, it was only a 7 foot. Let's do 33 feet. That gives it
3, 2, 1.
okay, so it's off it goes. We've got 14 satellites, so we obviously got the satellites now. It's going up. Maybe this one a good idea, really. Quick shot complete. It's coming back in. Okay, so that went all right, I suppose. Just let it come back in there. I think it gives it a different effect, doesn't it? You know, it's not like perfect, but it's a different effect. This could be like sort of a cinematic shot there. We're going to just do the circle. Okay. Maybe not a brilliant idea that. No, we're all right. Let's see how big. Hopefully this circle's not going to be too big. And nah, we're fine. I'll be honest, it makes the screen a little bit wobbly. A different aspect in it on that. Because the next test is, will it fly? Will it fly with that on? So here we go. Pardon? Ah, God. I watched some video the other day by Nobby, and Nobby said that Chinese thing hasn't. I thought with the latest update, that Chinese thing would have gone. Now, I know a little bit of Mandarin, and that was the countdown. Okay, so I think it's doing a circle, only because it's going around me. We're going to do directional. We're going to do start.
3. Unable to take off.
One-
Aircraft in motion.
Okay, we'll do that again. It says aircraft in motion. So just gotta, so you can see what I'm doing.
3, 2, 1.
So it's gone back into English, or Dorset accent, I should say. Right, so we're on directional now. Okay, we're okay. Okay, already it's lost me on the video for some reason. Okay. Right. Are we on? Are we on? Are we on? I think, you know, was the cover on? Okay. It didn't like that, did it? Come on. Okay, we're going this way then. Oh, it's gone again. Okay. Okay. Come on. Can you stop messing about? Are we going to move? Are we going to move? Okay, I'm going to stop there. So my final thoughts. Now, I think personally, you're not allowed to fly with the cover on. I'm sure somebody's going to tell me, Sean, if you read the instructions, you're not allowed to fly with that on. Obviously, it does make it a little bit obscure, but it's possible. I mean, you know, to get a different sort of video footage out of that, I thought that was pretty good. Obviously, when I get back behind the computer, it'll probably look pants, but I think you can fly with your cover on, but don't tell DJI. If you have a crash and say, oh, I watched Sean the drone and he said you can fly with your cover on. No, you can't. I've got that on video. But anyway, bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed it as always. And as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming very soon.